Hey everybody, this is my contest entry for Yummy Charms. So first, I have the contest helper things that I made. So I have this frog, and this frog, this panda bear, this panda bear, this hedgehog. So this is what he looks like around. The Spider-Man chibi. So, yeah. That's the contest helper. Here are the little square animals that I've made. There's this cute owl, which I made a bunch. But, yeah. The owl, the pig, and the cow. Turtle. Fish. Another turtle. A cactus. This girl chibi. Boy chibi. Mamagoma. Smiley. This is Pac-Man. Love Dinosaurs from So Craftastic. So the purple one and the tan one. This dinosaur. These donuts, so this blue one with chocolate drizzled. And this white, this donut with white frosting and pink polka dots. These poisonous mushrooms. These two also. Teddy bear head. These Disney inspired ones, so there's the Mickey. The Minnie Mouse with the polka dot bow, and this Minnie Mouse with just a regular bow. This strawberry. Candy apple. Lollipop with a bow. Cupcakes. This hamburger with a kawaii face. Pineapple from SpongeBob. And then SpongeBob himself. So this one is really detailed. But SpongeBob. Large crab. And this one is just a figurine. But he looks like this. So the large crab. And the last thing that I have to show you is this small crab. And he's got a real shell. But this is what he looks like. Here's my contest entry all laid out and organized. I really hope you like what I made. And I hope that you pick me. So thanks for watching.